On this large grape farm in Southern California, precision matters at every step of harvest. That's why growers rely on the Marco Compact In-Field Check Weigher, bringing accuracy and efficiency directly into the vineyard. Each picker works side by side with a packer, using the weigher to ensure every box meets exact target weights without slowing down production. The system is brilliantly simple. One light equals one grape. The number of lights tells operators how many grapes to add or remove. Any extra grapes trimmed from other boxes can be redistributed, so there's no waste in the field. And for larger or special packaging, like gift folds or tucked trays, just reset the target weight. The unit adapts instantly, weighing new formats on site with the same precision. With a portable battery that's quick to remove, recharge, and reinstall, each unit stays mobile and ready all day long. This grower invested in 100 compact check weighers, transporting up to 28 units per trailer, lightweight, economical, and easy to position wherever needed. The result? 200 workers in sync, guided by real-time indicators and achieving error rates of less than 0.1%. Thanks to a system so sensitive it can detect differences as small as 1 gram. From grapes in Southern California to strawberries and raspberries across North America, the Marco Compact In-Field Check Weigher delivers robust, accurate, and mobile weighing solutions. Contact Paxiom today for specs, pricing, and turnkey fresh produce packing systems.